Hi, this video is to show you about how to do Crook's Hookup. Crook's Hookup is a vagal nerve exercise, and it is helpful for helping you come back into regulation when your nervous system is dysregulated, helping you come back into a ventral state when you're stuck in a dorsal state like fight, flight, or freeze. And I'm going to show you how it goes right now. So you are going to start with your hands like this. So I'm using my left palm on the bottom facing up, my right palm on the top facing down. And you're simply going to swipe the hands across each other like this 3 times. And then from there we'll go into crossed arms. And we're going to rub the arms down 1, 2, and 3 times. And then we're going to move to the face, and that's going to look like this, right by the eyes, rubbing down alongside the cheekbones to the chin, and then up at the forehead. We're going to rub down on the sides of the face, the sides of the neck. So we'll do that 3 times. It'll go. And then just start again right where you began. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can go as fast as you like. Making sure that you're breathing while you're going through these movements. You can also slow this down if you'd like. You can make your movements very, very slow. Probably even slower than this, but I like to move a little bit faster. So I like to do mine about like this. And then every other time when you have the arms crossed, you can cross the opposite arm over. So that's it. That's Crook's Hookup. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.